5 seconds to go. Start. That interim protection given in the anticipatory bail applications by the High Court or Court of Sessions for a limited period, which is likely to expire from now up to 30th June 2021, shall stand extended till 30th of June 2021. However, any party aggrieved by the conduct of the accused on such interim protection may move the court session over the matter for discontinuation of such interim protection if any prejudice is caused to him/her, in which event the court concerned shall be entitled to take independent view of the matter. That all the interim bails granted under section 439 CRPC by the High Court or Court of Sessions limited by time frame specifying an expiry date from now up to 30th June 2021 shall stand extended till 30th June 2021, subject to the accused not abusing such liberty, or else it may be cancelled at the instance of the state or the complainant on application with adequate proof of the abuse of the liberty so granted by the court concerned. That parole granted to a person by order passed by a court exercising the criminal jurisdiction and limited by time frame specifying an expiry date from now up to 30th June 2021 shall stand extended till 30th of June 2021, subject to the condition specified in point number 6 above, that unless there is necessity of arrest for maintenance of law and order or any other emergent case in a cognizable offense prescribing sentence up to 7 years imprisonment, the police shall desist from arresting the accused up to 30th of June 2021 without complying with the provision of section 41A CRPC. This, however, may not be understood as an interdict on the power of the police to arrest, but should only be considered a mere advisory in the face of the ongoing crisis following second wave of coronavirus, that the state governments, union territory, Chandigarh, or any of its departments, or any municipal corporation, council, board, or any gram panchayat, or any other local body, or any other agency and instrumentality of the state shall not take any action for eviction and demolition in respect of any property over which any citizen or person or party or any body corporate has physical or symbolic possession as on today till 30th June 2021. That it is further directed that any bank or financial institution shall not take action for auction in respect of any property of any citizen or person or party or any body corporate till 30th June 2021. That if the government of Punjab, Haryana, Union Territory Chandigarh and or any of its departments and or functionaries, central government and or its departments or functionaries, or any public sector undertakings, or any public or private companies, or any firm or any individual or person is or by the order of this court or any court subordinate to it or the tribunals required to do a particular thing or carry out certain direction in a particular manner in a time frame which is going to expire at any time from now up to 30th June 2021. The time for compliance of such order shall stand extended up to 30th June 2021 unless specifically directed otherwise by the court concerned. That in order to dispel any ambiguity, it is clarified that those interim orders, directions which are not for a limited duration and are to operate until further orders shall by this order remain unaffected. That in case extension of interim orders as per the present order passed by this court causes any undue hardship and prejudice of any extreme nature to any of the parties to such proceedings, such parties would be at liberty to seek appropriate relief by moving appropriate applications before the competent courts, tribunal, judicial or quasi judicial forum, and these directions shall not be taken as a bar for such courts forums to consider such applications filed by the aggrieved party on its own merit after due notice and providing opportunity of hearing to the other side. That the directions enumerated above shall not preclude the states or union territory Chandigarh or central government from moving appropriate application for vacation, modification of such order in any particular case for reason of overriding public interest. That all courts, tribunals, judicial and quasi judicial authorities are directed. Stop.